did you say?
Continue for 8 miles.
Animal? Yeah. I'm gonna next to the window. I'm gonna move to the middle seat because I do not want animals peeping out of the window. I'm creeped out. So, anyways, I'll see you there. Bye. Bye. Signal on the bus go bling 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 bling. The signals on the bus go bling 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 all through the town. Hurt? Baby? The horn on the bus go beep 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 beep. The horn on the bus go beep 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 all through the town. Baby. The baby on the bus go wah 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 wah. The baby on the bus go wah 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 all through the town. Mommy. The mommy on the bus goes. The mommy on the bus go all through the town. The daddy on the bus says I love you. I love you. I love you. The daddy on the bus says I love you all the time. Monica, play Happy Birthday song. Hear the music. Happy birthday to you. Birthday to you. Happy. Huh? Hard. Hard? Get bad? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Play with the tobacco round and round. Hear the music. Okay. Wheels on the bus go round. Play with the bucket. Cocomelon song. Okay. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Play Cocomelon song. And wheels on the bucket round and round. That's what I'm singing. That's what I'm singing. That's what I'm singing. Wheels on the bucket round and round. That Cocomelon song. Really? That's what I'm singing. We're not gonna play. Wheels on the bucket round and round. A Cocomelon song. Okay. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Cocomelon song. The wipers on the bus goes swish with. Okay, 5 more minutes. No. Okay, go. Just
Look at the go. Yeah.
Guys, there's 5 more minutes left. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And look at the view. It's beautiful. Especially the clouds up there. Yeah, clouds. Yeah, it's beautiful, right? Wow. He's also saying it's beautiful. this is where we got the tickets. What is Chico doing here? Oh, he's adorable. He's running all over the place. There's no blue car here. Why are you playing with the trains? Put it down. Stop! Whoa, this is my favorite part because these are the shiny sequin snakes. They're beautiful. There's also some tie-dye stuff like shirts, hats, bottles. There's also an arcade, and there's cute stuffed animals. These are the souvenirs. I love the t-shirt. This is a snack place. There's yummy snacks everywhere. This is where people sit. Oh, you should know that. And there's some drinks over on the side. This is the board. Guys, we're entering. I'm so excited. I don't see any animals yet. Oh, well, anyways, we had to put the ticket first before we go in. Now we're going in. I see an ostrich on the side. You see it? Yeah, right there. There's two. There, what? Yeah, see, there's one. And there's two behind there. That's all? Okay. There's another one back there. You see it yet? Yep, it's right there. It's moving along the fences. Well, those look beautiful. Ostriches bite. So we didn't feed them. And their faces look like they were angry for some reason. But I know they were happy to meet us. Also, did you know that ostriches have the biggest eggs in the world? And they're the biggest birds known yet. Ooh, it's moving. Oh, it stopped again. Oh, you're moving again. I don't see any animals. I still don't see any. Where are all of them? Guys, I see something up there. What is it? Let's go closer to see what it is. It's coming. It's coming closer. Yeah, it's here. What is this? I don't know. Guys, let me know in the comments if you know what animal this is. Did you see something? Yeah, it's a giraffe. That's amazing. There's another one back there. Oh my gosh, that scared me. What is that? Oh, that's not cute. Oh my god, there's another one. Those are really creepy. But a giraffe's not. That's good. I mean zebra. There's a giraffe. Oh, that's adorable. There's a male and female. Oh. I can't take the eyes off them. That's so cute. Look at their spots. They're so unique. The male's different and the female's different too. Cool. I've never seen a giraffe before. Oh, there's Chico. Chico, say hi. Say hi. Aw. Oh my gosh. Why is that zebra so close? Oh my gosh. Look at that stripes. Those make me dizzy. Oh, they're going to another car now. That's fine. But they're so cute. Okay, bye-bye, zebra. There's a giraffe in front of our car. Oh no, don't bump into it. Don't bump into it. Ah! Oh, phew, we didn't bump into it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's so big. Oh wow, that's amazing. Oh my gosh, it's coming to our window. I'm creeped out. Whoa, a reindeer. There's a white one too, and a brown one. Cool. They look just like the Dasher. That one looks like Dasher, the brown one. Cool. Look at those antlers. They're like perfecto. Cool, awesome, amazing. Whoa. Guys, there are so many deer. Also, further in the video, you'll see even more different types. Aw, look at that. That's so cute. Oink, oink. Aw, look at it looking at me. It's coming near a car. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. Oh my gosh. There's cows everywhere. Oh my gosh. One's right near the window. Oh my gosh. I'm freaking out. Oh my gosh. Stay calm. Stay calm. Nothing happened. Oh my gosh. Nothing happened. Stay calm, Vena. Stay calm. Okay. The window's there. Okay, nothing will happen. See, Chico's calm. Then I should be too. He's trying to pet it. There's another one. Ma. I mean, this is a buffalo. 'Cause of its antlers. I mean, horns. There's a cute little fawn over there. And look at those big antlers of that deer. It's huge. Whoa, cool.
Reindeer.
Reindeer. I'm scared of these big creatures.
Ishaan, touch.
They won't
touch it.
hurt the pet.
Ishaan, say,
Yay.
come. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm scared of you, but hi. No, bye. Bye. Oh, no. No moving. Aw, cute Ishaan. He's scared. Oh, it's just a reindeer. Guys, there's so many deers. That's so cool. I love the spotted one. Oh my gosh, do not open the window. Got it? Oh, look, I love the antlers. They are perfect. Cool, cool, cool. Hey, there's an ostrich behind them. Look at that. Ostrich and a deer. Cute. Ew! One of them just pooped. Gross! The spotted one. Ugh, gross. Ugh. Aw, look, it's sniffing my hand. Where it go? That's adorable. And look at the look at the ostrich behind there. He's like on high alert. He's like, I hear someone. Aw, Chico's trying to pet a moose. Adorable. Aw, more deers. Look at them wiggling their ears. Oh, that's me. Cute. Cutie, cute, 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 cute. Guess what's inside of the cage? I don't think you can see it yet. Well, now you can. They are lions. Smash that like button if you got that right. Oh, they're sleeping. That's cute. I want to pet it for some reason. I want to really pet it. Oh, look at that. It's stretching. That's adorable. Oh, the other one is just sleeping. Wow, it had this old jungle gym for... Oh, there's a deer here. Aw, that's amazing. I like the lion better than the deer right now. Sorry, deer. Let's move on. La la la. Bye-bye, lions.
Buffalo.
Luna?
Buffalo.
And if you want to see me pet a deer further in the video, give this video a like. Guys, do you see the American bison over there? I do. Guys, did you know that American bisons are huge? Yeah, and their color is orange with brown. Whoa, there's a bunch of deer running to us. Cool, and there's a zebra car that's attracting a zebra. Cool. Whoa, that scared me. What is that? I do not know. But I've heard this. I've seen these animals before. I don't know this one. Aw, Chico is trying to pet it from the window. I kind of wanted to pet its horn. I'm scared of it though. I hate animals when they lick me. That's gross. But it looks beautiful. Look, there's a deer behind it that's walking to us. Oh. Whoa, cute. Oh my gosh, that scared me. But that's adorable. Look at the big one. It's just standing there like, hello. There's more. They keep crowding around. Sorry, we don't have any food for you. We're sorry. She's listening to me. Aw. I don't have any. Okay, I know you want any. Well, gotta go. Bye. Look at those two goats there together. That's a lot of deers. Guys, this ostrich is huge. Oh my gosh, that is cool. It's trying to make me laugh. I think so it is. Look at that puffy body. That's so cool, and a long neck like a giraffe. See, I understand why it's so big. I'm so happy that ostriches don't fly. Oh, whoa, it's stretching. Amazing. Look at those feathers, they're so big. Bye-bye? Oh, nope, not bye-bye. Oh, it's funny. Whoa. It's so creepy though. Look at that long neck. Whoa, I'm so scared. I hope no one opens the window. Whoa, what is it eating? What? It's eating the mirror? That's funny. Silly ostrich. Oh, look at those things cuddled up in there. Guys, I spy with my little eyes 3 and 4 zebras. 3 or 4 zebras. Can you see all of them? Adorable! Look at all those geese. They're still wobbling here. Aw, adorable. And look at their long necks. Guys, I see a pony. I've never seen a pony before. Cool. Wow. That's amazing! Guys, this is my time to pet a deer. See, I touched it. Ha ha! So you better click that like button, because I touched a deer 2 times. So that deserves 2 likes. Is it only me, or do I see a moose in the water? Okay, it's definitely not me, because I see a moose in the water. I've never seen a moose in the water. That is so weird. Okay, wow. Okay, now I'm confused because as I'm seeing it up close, it looks like it's a reindeer in the thing. Comment down below what that is. A moose or a reindeer? Or is it a whole nother animal? Look at the sky, look at the trees, look at the water. Together, it looks beautiful. Awesome. The wind is really strong. I see cows and bulls. This cow has a lot of hair all over. Another bull. This bull looks more creepier. Oh, that's a calf, I think. Cute. Cutie, cute, cute. There's a lot. Wow. Another deer. Oh, pig. Oink, oink. There's nothing here, guys. Wait, do I see a camel? Oh my gosh. I see a camel for the first time in my life. I see a camel. Oh my gosh. Wow. Awesome. I see a camel. Whoa, look at that. I hope it comes near me. Slowly but surely, he's coming near a car. Oh my gosh, there's a deer. Until then, I'm gonna be looking at this. Oh, I'm trying to pet it. It like me, ew. Oh, it went away. The camel's coming near. I don't care about you anymore. Oh my gosh, it's near. Oh my gosh, that's so fast. Whoa, did you see how fast that came here? Oh my gosh. Look at the hump. I've never seen this so close before. Awesome. Look at the hump. Oh my gosh, this is creepy. Look at its mouth. It's like twisted a little. Is that how camels are? I don't know. But But what I know is that's amazing. Bye-bye, camel. 2 ostriches coming our way. Whoa, you came out of nowhere. I think this is coming to an end. We won't know until we actually reach the end. Oh, well, I think this is the end. Well, I had a lot of fun though. Well, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, turn on the notification bell, leave me a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Bye!